Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, basically this whole operation looks pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. Alright, so here we are in the Google Chrome, so let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want to you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button right next to the particular website. But if you've got a lot of them, I highly recommend to use the automatic option. So let's simply tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some basic and advanced sections. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. What is more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days or even all time. So let's simply tap on the option like to use and tap on clear data. And as you can see right now the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.